welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today I am going to take care of a very special request from Russia, from Freedom, my friend. We're going to make Russian dumplings, which are called in Russia Pelmeni. If I'm saying that right, if not, at least I spelled it right. So, since I spelled it right, but I don't know if I said it right, if I did, if I didn't, you let me know. Leave a comment down below. But anyway, they're just like a Chinese dumpling, but a Russian style. Or a pierogi, but Russian style. So today, on Cooking with Frankie Meatball, we're going to make Russian dumplings, which are called Pelmeni. Here, on Cooking Frankie Meatball. Guys, so we're going to start out with the dough. So for the dough, we're going to need 1 cup of water, boom, 1/3 of a cup of milk, 1 egg, yolk and all, teaspoon of vegetable oil, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Today, I'm going to use EVO, extra virgin olive oil. You get yourself a fork and you mix up. You mix everything up. A teaspoon of salt. Now, it's flour time. You remember how to make dough. You do your wet first and then you add flour in. So, we're going to add a cup at a time. That's 1 cup. Add some in and mix. Again, don't worry about the lumps. Just mix it in there. Very nice here. You see the dough? Very nice. Nice and sticky. It's coming along. We're going to throw a 1/2 cup because we don't want to put too much in there. We're going to put a 1/2 cup. And mix it up. Alright, we'll throw some flour down on the workstation. And we'll just knead our dough. Now, you know how the dough's supposed to feel, so you just want to knead it. If you think it's too soft, think it's too loose, add some more flour in, and just mix it in. Just knead it in there. After you get it to the right consistency, you want to knead it for about 10 minutes. Give it a nice 5 to 10 minutes till it gets nice. So now it's starting to get sticky. I'm going to roll it in the flour over there. Gonna knead it. Boom. 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 Guys, this just isn't Frankie Meatball's show. This is your show. You want to see a certain recipe, you want to make a certain recipe, but you want Frankie Meatball to break it down for you? Leave it in comments or email me at cookingwithfrankiemeatball@gmail.com. Email me a request. Hey, I'll take any request on. Alright, what you want to do is get yourself some plastic wrap. Get your dough, put it in there, and what you want to do is you want to wrap it up. While this is resting, we're going to make our meat mixture, okay? You're going to get your bowl. I use the meatloaf mix, the same thing I use for my meatballs, which I didn't do yet, but I'm going to use, it has ground pork, ground veal, and beef in it. I like that. That's my go-to, so I'm going to use it. Just mix all 3 together, really nice. You want them thoroughly mixed together. Oh, guys, this is a pound of meat. This recipe will make a pound of meat, okay? Now look at that meat. It's 3 different kinds of meat, and I mix it all together, okay? This is what you want it to look like. You don't want to see all different colors in there from 3 different meats. You want to mix it all together. You want it to be like a nice and mixed. That's what you want, okay? For the meat mixture, we're going to use 1 medium onion. We're going to use 3 cloves of garlic. Going to use a teaspoon of vinegar, tablespoon of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon and a 1/4 of salt, and my favorite, adobo. Boom. Also, I'm going to use some fresh dill. Make sure you get yourself some fresh dill. Fresh dill, boom, makes the meat on this dish. Okay? You can dice your onion and your garlic and throw it in your meat, but if you got a food processor, use your food processor because you want to make a paste out of the onion, dill, and garlic. Okay? So, you're going to use this whole onion. So, we're going to just open it up. Nothing special here. Cut it into quarters. Nothing fancy. You're just going to throw it all in your food processor. Boom, boom, bada bing. Boom. Now we're going to do your 3 cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Between those onions and garlic, I'm starting to cry. I'm getting a little emotional, right? You got your fresh dill. You want a good amount in there. Trust me, you want a nice amount in there. I'm going to use some of that. Not about that much. You just run your knife through it. You don't want to dice it because you just want to cut it and spread it around here. We want our teaspoon of vinegar, tablespoon of water. Put it in your food processor with your onions. Put it on high. Nice and pasty, guys. You see that? It smells so good and it burns my eyes like you wouldn't believe. See how it's nice and pasty, guys? You watch this. You're gonna love this. Oh man, it smells so good. Look at that color. Look at that rich green, huh, guys? Nice and pasty, right? So now that's why I use a food processor to make it a nice paste. Again, if you don't have a food processor, no problem. Just mince your onion and garlic up together. Then you want to take your 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, sprinkle your pepper in. You want 1 tablespoon and a 1/4 of salt. Boom. And my personal favorite, I gotta always do some adobo. Fold the meat in to the paste. Mix it nice and nice. You can use your hand, whatever you want to use. Woo! Very nice onion and garlic smell. You got that dill. We got our meat ready. Our dough is ready. I'm gonna go wipe my tears and I'll be back. Meat's nice and good, nice and mixed together. Your meat's done, your dough's done. Got a nice clean area to work on, right? We're gonna run the dough out, so you wanna put some flour down so it doesn't stick. You get your dough cutter, and now you wanna get every Italian grandmom's favorite weapon. The rolling pin, huh? I don't know about you guys, but my grandma, when she make the pasta, hey, you get out of my kitchen, you don't touch the sauce, I'll bust your head. Oh, grandma, I just want to taste the sauce. I just bust your head. You get out of the kitchen, I'll bust your head, huh? I'll bust your head. So anyway, that's why they call this the grandmother's weapon, hey? Get yourself a nice little spoon to spoon the meat, okay? Just want to keep your dough wrapped while you're working with it. You cut some that you're going to work with. Boom. You keep it covered because it will dry out. You don't want your dough to dry out, okay? All right? Now, just flatten it out. You're going to flatten it out however you want. I make it like a la pizza. Get your rolling pin, throw it down. Some flour on top, boom. Right? Make sure you add flour to it as you roll it out because it gets dough's very sticky. Alright? I don't have to tell how many times did we do something with dough here, huh? You got a glass, so maybe like 2 inches in diameter or something like that, right? I like this because it's a nice little handle, right? Boom. Just go there. You just want to cut that out like that. As many as you can cut. Okay? They like want to pop out, you know? Let's see if we can stretch this dough out here and get one more can hit be done. Boom, the meatball does it, huh? You take the extra dough and bunch it together, stick it on the other side, a wrap, keep it covered, because you're going to reuse it. You're going to use every piece of dough that's here. Again, guys, this is something you can do with your kids. Your kids will love this. I'm telling you, I did it with my kids last night because I had to test this out. You know, because it's a request. I never made these. So what I did my homework. I made them. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Now I'm making them for you. Don't forget, if you got requests, comment below. Leave a comment. What do you want to make? What do you want to learn to make? I will learn it and teach it to you if I don't know how. Or you can email me at cookingwithfrankiemeatball@gmail.com. Let me know what do you want me to make for you. At the table, you want to set aside an area where after you make your dumplings, you can put them. You take your spoon, put just a nice little dab of meat in the middle. All right, boom. Again, this is something your kids can do with you while you're filling the meat. They can wrap it. That's what my kids did. I'm here for you guys. And look at that, nice and nice. I'll put a little bit more meat on that. Okay, make sure your hands are dry. Take both ends, put them together, lift it up. Now you want to pinch. Nicey nice, see that? Pinch. All the way around. Pinchy, pinchy, pinchy. See, now if I leave it like that, that's a pierogi, right? Huh? Or a Chinese dumpling. You take your corners, see this finger? Keep that finger there. Take the corners. Boom. See that? And there goes your pelmeni. You know, not too thick, not too thin. Okay? You want to grab the two ends, pull them up together, pinch. Then just pinch all around. Okay? You know, pinch all around. Okay? And then take the two ends and pinch them together. Boom. Huh? A new series on Amazon Prime, Gravesend. It's, hey, look, you like the Sopranos? I think this is going to be the next biggest thing next to the Sopranos. Very good series. Hats off to the writer. Very good storyline. Love it. I'm a fool for that mafia stuff. So anyway, that's what you do. Alright, I'm going to take my dumplings to the boiling water. It just started to boil. I'm going to throw some salt in it. Throw these in it. Hey, Meatball, how do you know they're done? Good question. I'm glad you asked that. You'll know they're done when they start floating at the top like raviolis. I'm going to go cook. And I'll be back. Hey, guys. While that's cooking, while we're waiting for them to float on top, I'm going to tell you what I got going on over here. I got some sour cream with some dill, and I got some hot sauce. That's what I'm going to dip mine is. You can dip yours in anything, but I'm going to tell you, sour cream and hot sauce is the way I go. I'll be back. Frankie Meatball doing it up Russian style, guys, Take a look at it, very beautiful. You got your sour cream with the dill, you got your hot sauce, you got your dumplings, guys. I'm telling you, Follow us on Instagram, like our Facebook page, post your dishes on our Facebook page. I want to see your dishes, your creation, guys. Again, Cooking with Frankie Meatball Facebook page. Take a look at it. Post me your dishes, guys. I love it. Take a look at this one last time. Beautiful, guys. I'm telling you. Take a look at that. Huh? I'm telling you. Sometimes I amaze myself over here. If you like what you saw, then like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. Post your pictures on Facebook. Email me, guys. I want your recommendations. What do you want to see? What do you want me to make, guys? I'm here for you. I'll see you next time.
One look in her eyes and I just knew she had me. The need to summarize, she's got the love to grab me. I got a call but I'm not home. She texts me but I'm here on my dime phone. She meets back at my place and another night, another way she dropped the